natin mga ka-members. Pag-usapan natin uli ngayon ang about sa ID. But this is not about our UMID ID. Pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa ating national ID or the Philippine ID. But before natin talakayin yan, if bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, pakisuyong i-subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na aking i-upload. Alright, so wala pa rin ba yung national ID? You can get a printable e-Philippine ID online. Well, pwede mo na ngayong i-download. So, sabi dito, you can now download a digital version of your national ID and print it out in case you still haven't received the physical ID or physical card. Now, the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA announced that the various formats of the Philippine Identification System or PhilSys Digital ID, including the printed iPhil ID, would now be accepted as a valid and sufficient proof of identity and age. This would serve as an alternative ID for those who still have not yet received their physical national ID card. Okay, sabi dito, on October 21, the Department of Foreign Affairs, Office of the Consular Affairs, announced that the ePhil IDs would be accepted as valid ID for passport application. Wow, that's a good news. All right, now for Filipinos who have already registered for the national ID can also start claiming their Phil ID by setting an appointment online and then printing it out for their use. Okay, so yung hindi pa or yung nakapag-register na and then di pa nila na-claim, pwede kayong set ng appointment online. Okay? And the printed ID shows information such as your full name, sex, blood type, marital status, date and place of birth, address, generation date, QR code, and 1-by-1 photo picture. So, to claim the ePhil ID, you must first make an appointment through the system or Phil system website and make the transaction slip you receive for your national ID. All right. Again, you can first make an appointment through the PhilSys website and have the transaction slip you receive for your national ID at the ready. So sabi, visit the website here. I will post the website in the description. So, i-check ninyo yan. Alright? Then, i-check ninyo sa website mismo. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin nito is to claim the Philippine ID, kailangan ng appointment. Saan kukuha ng appointment? Doon sa website ni PhilSys. Okay? Since hindi naman kayo makaklik here for the website, i-post ko yan sa baba ng video nito sa description. Okay? Alright, so next one is, after agreeing to the privacy notice, tick the I agree box, and this will take you to a new page asking for your 29-digit reference number from your transaction slip. Okay? Yung ginawa mo dito sa website.